Moments ago, President Trump said the CDC is set to announce new steps to make it easier for some people who have been exposed to coronavirus to return to work. The move comes as the president says the economy will reopen, quote, sooner than people think. Weijia Jiang is at the White House tonight. Weijia?
Nora, President Trump said the CDC is working on the finishing touches of new recommendations that will be the first step to reopening the country, something he is eager to do. But tonight, the president also said we have to be on the downside of the slope of cases before that can happen.
The CDC's new guidelines are aimed at getting critical infrastructure workers back on the job.
We're getting much closer to getting our country back to the way it was.
Even after potential exposure to COVID-19, people will be able to go back to work as long as they don't have any symptoms and continue to check their temperatures, wear masks, and practice social distancing. Before, they were advised to self-quarantine for 14 days. CBS News has learned the new recommendations apply to several groups, including first responders, food workers, critical manufacturing, and transportation employees. The new recommendations are being drafted as members of the coronavirus task force urge caution against relaxing rules for the general public.
You can start to see it making a difference, but we have to do even more right now because that will predict where we are 2 or 3 weeks from now.
Today, President Trump tweeted the country would open up sooner rather than later, and our economy will boom, perhaps like never before, echoing what he has said in recent days.
We have to open our country up. We have to get going. We have to open our country up. No country was designed for this. Will you close it?
Mr. Trump often talks about reopening the economy as if there's an on-off switch, but it will be up to the states and local governments to make those decisions.
Tonight, even though health officials say there is promise in the new numbers that show social distancing is working, they warn that the next few weeks are critical and everyone must continue their efforts to mitigate. Nora?
Critical indeed, Weijia. Thank you.